In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change sender name on Yahoo Mail account. Your sender name is the name people see in their inbox when you email them, and updating it is quick and straightforward. First, open your web browser and head to Yahoo's sign-in page. If your account is already listed, click it to continue. If not, type your email address to proceed to the password screen. Enter your password to sign in securely. If you're on a shared device, consider using a private window and remember to sign out when you're done. After you sign in, you'll land on Yahoo's homepage. In the upper right corner, click Mail to open Yahoo Mail. Once your inbox loads, look toward the top right area and click the Settings gear icon. A small panel opens. At the bottom of that panel, choose More Settings to access the full set of options. In the Settings view, select Mailboxes from the left-hand menu. You'll see your Yahoo address listed. Click the address you want to edit to open its details on the right. Here, locate the field labeled Your Name or Sender Name. This is the display name that appears to recipients. Replace the current text with the name you want others to see. Use proper capitalization, keep it professional if you use the account for work, and remember that this change affects only the display name. Your actual email address stays the same. When you're happy with the new name, scroll if needed and click Save. Yahoo applies the update immediately for new messages. If your inbox view doesn't reflect the change right away, a quick refresh of the page usually helps. Also note that previously sent emails will keep the old name in recipients' inboxes. The new name will appear on emails you send from now on. That's all there is to it. Sign in, open mail, go to Settings, open More Settings, choose Mailboxes, select your address, edit the sender name, and save. If you manage more than one Yahoo mailbox within the same account, repeat the edit for any address you want to update. And if you ever want to adjust it again, you can return to the same place and change the text at any time. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped, you're now ready to send emails with a clean, accurate sender name that matches how you want to be recognized.